Let's talk about another amazing technology known as eProcurement. Imagine you are managing a large manufacturing company that needs thousands of components from suppliers across different regions every month. Previously, your procurement team manually managed to get vendor quotes, negotiations, and sending purchase orders via email or fax to vendors. After sending those orders, your team also followed up with vendors over phone calls and spent hours checking invoices and approvals. You found mistakes, delays, and duplicate orders were common issues, causing production slowdowns and increased costs. Now imagine if all procurement processes, bidding, ordering, approval, payment, and supplier collaboration could happen digitally on a single platform. That's exactly what eProcurement solves. Several well-known eProcurement platforms are used globally today. Some of the top platforms include SAP Ariba, which one is widely used by multinational corporations for supplier management and sourcing. Secondly, Coupa, which is known for its user-friendly interface and spend management capabilities. Further platforms like Jaguar are popular in manufacturing and education sectors, and platforms like Oracle Procurement Cloud helps to integrate seamlessly with Oracle ERP systems. These platforms provide secure, centralized, and automated procurement processes, making it easier for organizations to control costs and maintain compliance. So what is eProcurement in detail? In simple words, eProcurement is the digital process of sourcing, purchasing, and managing goods and services from suppliers using online platforms. It replaces traditional paper-based and manual methods with automated workflows, approvals, and real-time tracking. The eProcurement offers operational solutions like operational procurement, which covers routine purchases like raw materials or office supplies. Our next type is strategic sourcing, which focuses on long-term supplier selection, contract management, and cost optimization. Hopefully you can already see how both types complement each other. One handles day-to-day needs while the other ensures long-term efficiency. Now let's understand how eProcurement works step by step. The first step is the buyer creates a request for proposal, RFP, in the eProcurement system. Then the next step is suppliers respond to the RFP by submitting their quotes electronically through the platform. Further, in the next step, the buyer views supplier quotes, compares them, and evaluates the best option based on price, quality, and delivery terms. In the following step, the buyer places a purchase order PO to the selected supplier directly through the digital platform. Next, the supplier receives and acknowledges the PO, confirming the order and preparing for shipment. Then the supplier ships the products to the buyer, with tracking and updates automatically recorded in the system. Further, the buyer receives the delivery, and the system automatically updates the inventory and confirms receipt of goods. In the next step, the invoice is automatically matched with the PO and received goods, ensuring accuracy and eliminating manual errors. Finally, payment is processed to the supplier digitally, completing the procurement cycle. The entire cycle works digitally with minimal human intervention, making the process fast, accurate, and transparent. This is why it is referred to as eProcurement.